guess what? EcoChop is back. I'm so excited about this. It's been sold out. This thing sells out so fast. So thought I would make you a really quick guacamole, just so you can see how it works. So this is amazing. So EcoChop comes with 2 blades, boom, boom. Got a spatula on the bottom, scrapes everything up. Spatula on the top, scrapes everything down. And so we're gonna just throw in our garlic. We're gonna throw in a little bit of jalapeno, and we're gonna throw in a little bit of onion. This is the part where you would also throw in tomatoes if you were using tomatoes. I'm gonna just pop these up. So you just go through the holes with your EcoChop. It chops it up beautifully. I like mine all finely chopped. You could do more poles if you want to, or less, however you like it. Then we're going to put our avocado in. Oops, I forgot the cilantro. Okay, we've got cilantro here. So just a little handful of cilantro, as much or as little as you want. We'll throw that in, and we want to get that chopped up first. So I chop all of these up first, so they get nice and finely chopped. Okay, a few pulls there again, and that's beautifully chopped. Now we're gonna throw that avocado in. Like I said, if you were doing tomato, you would throw that in there also. I didn't have tomato, and tomato's kind of optional in this recipe, so if you don't have it, not a problem. Way to remove avocado pits. Just stab it with that Santoku knife. And our mini spatula works great for getting your avocados out. Okay, so this will hold 2 whole avocados. I've got 3 here just in case one doesn't look so good. You never know with avocados, I feel like. They should be firm, but not super soft. And they should be firm all the way around. If they're soft in a certain spot, don't pick that one, okay? Don't choose that one. All right, again, our strategy for removing pits. Okay, so avocado is going in, and then I'm gonna put in, oops, did I get a little skin in there? Nope, we're good. Okay, and then we're gonna throw in a salt. So salt is kind of key, and it's kind of a secret key, I feel like, in guacamole. I've got 1/4 teaspoon of salt in here. You can do 1/4, half, whatever you like. If you feel like it doesn't have the right taste, try a little more salt, because you'll be surprised at how much that changes it. Lime in our citrus press, the Bon Cook citrus press. I do a half a lime. You could do more or less, depending on how you like it. Let's get this in. Okay, so you can see this little chopper holds a lot. It holds 2 whole cups. Put the lid back on. A few more pulls. And boom, your guacamole is done. I love it. So then we're gonna take our bowl. The blade comes out, and you're gonna serve it up right here. Okay, now you can do a couple different things with it. I've got mine ready to go on a platter with tortilla chips. Yum. But you could also take there's a lid, it comes with a separate lid, so you can store it in the refrigerator like this, and you can vent it as much or as little as you like. It also does come with a salad spinner, so you can dry your herbs. You just put the spinner inside the basket instead, and then you pull the little handle again, and it's gonna dry off your herbs. So EcoChop is amazing for chopping all of your onions, fresh garlic, ginger, graham crackers, for a graham cracker crust. Anything that you want to chop, it is amazing and does an amazing job. It's back and available again. It's $48.95. We're doing free shipping, so let me know right away and I'll grab yours.